Shimano, ladies and gentlemen. The other week I was doing some presses, and after I uploaded the video, I got a comment mentioning my dumbbells. I had a set of Hex Dumbbells going up to 20 kilos for a while now. I never bought any bigger pairs as they tend to be really expensive and I'm cheap. I felt inspired to browse all the shops I could find to look for Hex Dumbbells. I was pleasantly surprised when I found that Powerhouse Fitness is currently selling B-stock dumbbells with an extra sale on top of it. Most of my dumbbells are the same make and I'm quite happy with them, so I figured that for this price I couldn't miss it. The only gripe I have is that the heavier ones were sold out. As they describe it, B-stock dumbbells are discolored due to an additive used in the rubber during the manufacturing process. So basically they're not pretty. I can live with that. Especially when the total price of $179 including delivery for 2 sets is almost a half when compared to any other retailers at the time. I think Bodymax is one of those store-owned brands where they put the logo sticker of a generic Chinese stock. Well, this makes no difference to me because dumbbells are dumbbells, especially when they're that cheap. Big shout out to Nick for dropping that comment. Thanks to you, I think I found myself a really good deal. Let's take a look at what arrived. As you can see, the boxes are quite rough. I can't tell if that's how they arrived from the factory and it's a part of the B-stock experience, or more likely they got tossed around during the final delivery. This can indicate that they received some extra beating during the shipping and will not only be discolored but also scratched up. Again, not a problem, we're not unboxing precious jewelry here. Let's rip it up. Okay, so this is slightly different than what I expected. Let's open all of them first before I pass my final judgment. Right, let's have a look at that. The way it looks in the foil, it looks like it's very much bleached. I'm curious when it's finally unpacked how it will look like. That's not bad. Right, let's bring it out. I'm gonna bring it closer. They look somewhat weathered. Okay, so here's how they look like. It's actually not bad. Again, my personal opinion. They are definitely discolored. I was expecting more of like a cloudy, patchy, inconsistent discoloration, but I do have to say they actually look not bad. I kind of like it. It gives it this rustic vibe. Also, I kind of like it that it's this green tint, like a yellow green tint. Right, so for comparison, here's a normal stock. You can clearly tell the difference. There's no discoloration on this one. They do feel a bit different, like the final coating is a bit more rough on this one. Feels a bit powdery. One other thing that I noticed is that these ones don't have the protective oil that usually comes on any other equipment. I do seem to remember that the previous ones arrived with the layer of coating. Now, the most important part will be to see how much weight discrepancy there is. With the cheap fitness gear, I'm expecting that there will be a 2 to 3% difference from the advertised weights. Let's see. Lighter ones first. 22.5. Now the other one. 22.5. Right, now the heavier ones. Let's try that again. 24.4. That's not great. And the other one, 24.9. So the lighter ones were spot on. Finally, the only thing left to do is to try them out, which is unfortunate because I just benched yesterday. Do it anyway. Thank you for watching my video. Big thanks to everyone that leaves comments on my videos. You're awesome. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. And let me know what you think of these B-stock dumbbells. Is it a good deal? Is it bad? Do you care if your dumbbells are pretty? Do you know any other cheap sources of Hex dumbbells? That's it for now. Have a great day. Na razie.